Hello guys, and welcome back to the Italy video person thingy. Right now we are in the grape field. I took some pictures with my dad's Nikon D500 with the close-up lens and the, I forgot what it's called, the far lens thingy that you could see very far away. So today's a bright and sunny day. We drove our Alfa Romeo that our friend lent us to Florence, and then we're here. This is our second day. We're eating lunch at a 5-star restaurant. Right now, my mom's at a tour, and there are lots of stuff here that is very interesting. So right now, as you can see, there are a lot of patches of grape thingies, and then there's that highway thingy, the parking. I have some idea of where we're parking, but still no idea. I'm just gonna let you see on your own. And then I'm gonna walk slowly. Looky here. Would you have a looky here? Walking over here, and then going to the dad spot thingy. There's a rat right here, but I'm not gonna do that because it's too late. So there's my dad right there. Say hi, Dad. This is what we're eating, and then I shall be put over here.